All set and ready to race. And the rope. Early lead is taken by Crystal's Beauty from the outside, followed by Game Changer. Well on the inside in third, Extraordinary, Pearson Pyrie, and Money Queen. And the lead is taken over now by Crystal's Beauty by 3.5 lengths, followed by Well in second, and Game Changer, Pearson Pyrie. On the outside, Money Queen, and the favorite entry number one, Extraordinary. The mid-back stretch, still Crystal Beauty by a length and a half, followed by Well in second, and Money Queen now running in third by 3.5 lengths, Pearson Pyrie, Game Changer, and Extraordinary moving up on the inside. Rounding the far turn, well by half a length on the outside, and Crystal's Beauty by the rail in second, and closing in third is Money Queen, and here comes Pearson Pyrie, Extraordinary on the farther outside, and into the home stretch, it's well in the lead, followed by Crystal's Beauty by the rail, Money Queen moving up on the farther outside. It's well on the outside by the rail, Crystal's Beauty and Money Queen moving up on the farther outside. Well by the rail, Money Queen moving up on the farther outside. It is now Money Queen in the lead, followed by well. And finally at the payoff line, it's Money Queen, Extraordinary, well, Game Changer, Pearson Pyrie, Crystal's Beauty.